In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Now, adaptive radiation depicts the evolutionary divergence of distinct species within a specific geographical locale, now starting from a single point and extending outward to various geographic regions, as evident from the example of Darwin's finches. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, analogous structures, despite being dissimilar in anatomical forms, execute comparable functions, which is a consequence of convergent evolution. And the examples can be the wings of butterflies and birds. Thus, B matches with 3. Now, homologous organs who share anatomical resemblance but fulfilling diverse functions according to the requirements arise from divergent evolution, such as the four-limb bones in humans and whales. Thus, C matches with 2. Now, evolution influenced by human activity involves factors like antibiotic resistance in microbes and the development of herbicide and pesticide resistant plant varieties. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option B.